Hello everyone, my name is Mary Kreger and I'm starting out on the OCM BOCES page because that is where I teach. I think a lot of people think of our career and technical programs when they think of BOCES, but I teach for the alternative ed program. So I'm going to show you guys when you go under the menu and go to, it's now being called innovative education, which I think I said in one of my posts. I think it was the other class though. So instead of alternative ed, we're now innovative education. And under there you can see is our page. And when you go to view programs, down here, mine is the REACH program I'm highlighting for our 7th and 8th grade students. And it's just an alternative setting where we do a lot of real world problems, out of the box thinking. It's a lot smaller class sizes and it's just more manageable for our students that we have. Um, so a little bit about me professionally is I have a certification in math as well as students with disabilities for grades 7 through 12. I actually this summer just started teaching special ed and it was a fantastic experience, so I had a lot of fun. Um, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next summer. You can see for education, I went to Nazareth College and got my bachelor's degree in math, and now I'm obviously at SUNY Empire State College for my master's program. My professional experiences at BOCES, which I've already talked about, and some of the technology I use. I would say I'm kind of a beginner with technology where I use a lot of the websites that are available. So I teach the Math 180 program, which used to be with Scholastic and now is with a different company. But I'm very familiar with that. Some people are familiar with iReady or Read 180 is the English version of Math 180. I also have used Prodigy with my classes where it's a fun game for students to interact with each other as well as other people online and do math. So that's a fun thing I've used. And just to show you guys some cool pictures from today, it's the beginning of the school year, so I like to get my students excited about math, and we did a cup stacking activity. Um, like I said, we like to do out of the box thinking and hands-on activities. So this was us today. And I'm at 3 minutes, so thank you.